Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Xiaomi Redmi 10. And guys, and this is a new budget phone from Xiaomi which is costing around 33,000 PKR Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we have a 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. And guys, and this phone also available in the 4GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and that variant it is only available online. And the color I have is the sea blue color. So on the front we also get a punch hole on this phone. So I am really excited to see that how is the Redmi Note 10 is perform in the performance wise, because we have a Mediatek G88 processor on this phone. Now let's quickly unbox the Redmi 10, and this phone is officially launched in Pakistan market. So we also have a 1-year warranty card, so that's really good thing. And you can see we get a 1-year warranty card. So here's the box of the Redmi, and again one more plastic on the box, and you can see in the box is give you a very new look. So now let's open this box, and guys, on the top we get a one more mini box. Inside of this box we get a simulation tool, and you can see, and also we get a quick start guide as well as a safety information. We also have a warranty card, and also we have a soft silicone case with the Redmi 10, so that's really good thing. So here is the device, Redmi 10. Now let's start the phone from this box, and you can see, and guys, and these are the main highlighting feature about the Redmi 10. And this phone give you a 50 megapixel AI quad cameras. We also have a dual speaker on this phone. On the front we have a 6.5-inch display which give you a 90Hz refresh rate, so that's really good thing. Again, this phone is powered by Mediatek G88, and this phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18W fast charging. So now let's out the phone from this plastic first, and guys, you can see that here is the sea blue color, and you can see on the back we have a glossy finish. Although the back it is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone, and the camera bump it is very big on this phone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get and other than the phone. So and the first thing we get a cable, and guys, then this is a USB Type-C cable, and you can see, so that's really good thing. And also we get a charger, and guys, and this is a 22.5 watt adapter. Redmi 10 is support 18 watts, so nice to see that we get a fast charging on this phone. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Redmi 10, and guys, and here is the Redmi 10. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone. On the left hand side we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on the Redmi 10. So nice to see that you can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full flush SIM slot. On the top we have a headphone jack. We also have a dual speaker, IR blaster, and a noise cancellation microphone. So nice to see that we got dual speaker on this phone. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, which also has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. So and the location it is really good. And guys, on the front we have 6.5-inch full HD IPS LCD display which also has 90Hz refresh rate. We also get a center punch hole on this phone, MIUI version 12.5. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And also the device feels really light in hand, although we have 5000 mAh battery size. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Redmi 10, and you can see, and guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone has a IPS LCD display, and the colors it is not as good as the Super AMOLED display. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go to the display, and you can see we have 90Hz refresh rate. Now let's go 90Hz, and now it feels much smoother. So now let's go about phone, and this phone is running on Android 11, so that's really good thing. We have Android 11, and guys, we have a 128GB of internal storage out of 113GB. It is available for you guys. And guys, also this phone is powered by Mediatek G88 chipset, so we will see the performance in my upcoming speed test. So now let's look at the camera, and guys, and this phone has a quad cameras on the back. As you can see, we have a 50 megapixel main camera, and then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide. We also have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front we have a 8 megapixel selfie camera inside this punch hole, and this phone also has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. So now let's see the speed, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed, it is also really fast on this phone. not the fastest. So here is the camera UI of the Redmi 10. So here is your normal, here is your ultra wide, and you can see we also have a video mode. And guys, on the back camera, maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. And guys, we also have a pro mode, we also have a portrait mode. In the mode section, we also have a night mode, which is only available with the main camera. We also have a 50 megapixel mode as well, in which you can take 50 megapixel shot. And guys, we also have a slow motion on this phone, so that's really good thing. Now let's see the front camera. On the front we have a 8 megapixel selfie camera, and the quality feels very decent. Now let's see the video recording size with the front camera. And the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. And the portrait mode, it is also available with the front camera, and the night mode, it is not available with the front. Now let's talk about the battery size, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging. And also we have a Mediatek G88 chipset, so and the battery life should be really good on this phone. And this phone also has a dual speaker. So now let's see the speakers, and you can see we have a dual speakers. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Redmi 10. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.